My home was recently robbed, and the one regret that I have is that I didn't have any cameras in my garage area, which is where they came in. I definitely will not be making that mistake again. I immediately bought the MyQ Smart Garage camera, and I was able to install it easily in minutes. It works with the MyQ app, so you can keep an eye on your home no matter where you are. Don't wait like I did. Download the MyQ app and have peace of mind knowing that you can see what's going on at home at any time.